Welcome to PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to convert MBOX files and folders. Let's start by downloading PC.MBOX Converter tool on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support many email client and file format, choose as per your requirement. Then select MBOX file option and choose file and choose folder to load MBOX mailboxes in the software panel. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. After that, click on that MBOX folder, and emails are listed one by one. Now, tap on the MBOX email that preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. Tool preview the email content and other information. If that MBOX mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. Now, go to the Export tab that lists multiple saving options. An extract option is available to take out email addresses, phone numbers, and attachments from MBOX files. Then again, open the Export option list and choose EML format for MBOX to EML conversion process. This time, first, check and uncheck the required folders to convert to EML format. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you can see, there are many options available in the software panel. So let us understand them, and then you decide whether to enable this option. The first is open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. The last is an include email header. We recommend that you disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process to convert MBOX to EML files in the software panel. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. All the MBOX folders successfully converted into EML format. You're good to go. Now, let's check the final results. Click on the Open Folder button. As you can see, all the MBOX mailboxes successfully converted to EML format with all the properties and elements.